I think that the Apple Watch is the one Apple device that people use for a few months and then they seemingly forget about it and throw it into a sock drawer. And I know for a fact that a couple of you guys at home have Apple Watches that are stuck in drawers just screaming to be used. So yes, the Apple Watch is an incredible tool, but are you actually using it for all of its amazing features? Today we're going to be going through some Apple Watch tips and tricks that are actually useful and you will use every single day. Let's jump right into Apple Watch tips and tricks. So the Apple Watch I'm using today is the Apple Watch Series 10. This is the 46mm watch in the space black color, and I have a sports loop band knockoff on my wrist. I'm going to be going through 10 unique Apple Watch features with you guys today, so let's get started with the first feature. The first feature we're going to talk about playing music directly through the Apple Watch speakers. So this feature is only available on certain Apple Watches. I will put all the Apple Watches on screen that actually have this feature, but if you do have an Apple Watch that is compatible, it is actually extremely easy to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our music application right here, and we're just going to literally play a song from one of my playlists. Go into here,
and it automatically plays the song through the Apple Watch speaker.
Yes, it automatically will play the song directly through the Apple Watch's speaker, which is right here on the side. There is no setup for this feature. You just simply do it and you play your Apple Music through it. Next up, we're going to be using our Apple Watch as a camera control for our iPhone. This thing is very convenient, especially if you are a content creator. I'm going to go into the home screen. I'm going to go down to the camera control app, which is right here. It's going to connect to my iPhone. And there I am right there on the screen. I can actually zoom into myself if I wanted to, or I can zoom out to use the 0.5 camera. But here's my live feed view of my Apple Watch. But this actually does work, and I can actually hit the record button and record a video on my iPhone using just my Apple Watch. I can also switch modes as well. I want to do the front or rear, I want to do flash, or I want to do whatever. Now it does use the last known mode on your phone, so if you're using a photo on your last known mode, and if I want to do a burst, I'm going to hit the burst button right here, and it takes a bunch of photos for me right there, and I can review the photos right here on my Apple Watch, just like that. Once you get into the habit of using this feature, it becomes an extreme game changer. Your Apple Watch is also a flashlight. We're gonna hit the side button right here, and we're gonna hit the flashlight application right here, dismiss, and this is the flashlight. So if I were to turn off this light right here, you can see how bright this flashlight gets. It gets very, very bright. But that's not the only thing you can do. You can also do flashing, so you can do SOS, or you can do a red light. So here's how the red light looks on there. That's flashlight on the Apple Watch. Did you know that you can take notes on your Apple Watch? They actually launched the Notes application on the Apple Watch. So I have all my notes listed here. I can go through my notes in the past. So if I had a grocery list, I can literally go through my grocery list and check off things on my Apple Watch if I'm at the store and I don't want to take out my phone. Or I can make a brand new note on my Apple Watch. It's very easy. I tap this button in the corner right here, and I can type out my note using the touch screen right here. If I want to do voice dictation, I can do that as well. I go right into here and I do voice. I am making a note on my Apple Watch, and I just wanted to test this out to my YouTube friends. This is actually a great application to use because if you're going grocery shopping and you don't want to keep taking your phone out of your pocket, I can have my grocery list right here. You're going to want to use this application all of the freaking time. These next two are actually Apple Watch applications that I found on my own, and I just have to share with you guys because these are just adorable. The first thing is Apple Watch drawing. Yes, you can actually draw on your Apple Watch. So this is the application. This is called Paint, Draw, and Sketch. This is only an Apple Watch application. This actually cost me a couple cents on the App Store, but I love this app. And this is exactly what you think this is. This is sketching and drawing on your Apple Watch. So hit new paint and look. I can freaking draw on my Apple Watch. I can do my brush size. I want to do a 6 brush size. I want to do a different color. Let's do, and I can do a blur radius as well. This is so silly, but I don't care because I love it.
It was therapeutic for me. I don't regret it.
But like, come on, like this is very much a novelty application for sure. And here's my painting on my Apple Watch. You're welcome, Internet. This is the most amazing application to ever exist. The next fun application is called Games for Apple Watch. And this is exactly what it sounds like. It's actual games for your Apple Watch. It is free, but you can also get a paid version to have more games on there. Download it on your iPhone first, and then it downloads directly to your Apple Watch. Here it is. You have Best, Puzzles, Arcade, or Cards. We're gonna do Best. These are all the ones that I have unlocked. There's not many, but you have 2 different choices, and that's it. So the first one is gonna be Tic-Tac-Toe. It's exactly what you think it is. Tic-Tac-Toe on your watch. Wow. Then there's Pong on here. We're gonna do Classic. You rotate a digital crown and you play Pong on your Apple Watch. others. I just wanted to show you that because I thought that was kind of fun to have literally games on your Apple Watch if you're bored, and I'm sure everyone's going to be using this literally 35 times a day. Let's talk about gestures on the Apple Watch. You can actually flick your wrist to dismiss Apple Watch notifications. I can simply flick my notification away. Another gesture you can do is if you say get a incoming message or a call, and you just don't want to deal with it right now, you simply do that to your Apple Watch. You simply slap your Apple Watch to get rid of the notification. Now on an Apple Watch Series 9 or newer, there's a thing called a double tap. This is called double tap. So as you can see, I'm double tapping and pinching my fingers, and I'm scrolling my Apple Watch's UI just like this. Now, say if I were playing a song on my Apple Watch, I can play and pause it just like that. I can double tap my two fingers to dismiss the call. It's just very cool to be able to do that. These final three features are going to be all done within the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Adding photos as your Apple Watch's watch face. This is very fun and easy to do. All you have to do is you have to go into the face gallery down here. So if you want to go through all of your watch faces, you can go all the way down and you can hit see all watch faces. And then we're going to go down and we're going to select the photos watch face. So now we're in the photos watch face. We're actually going to hit choose photos right here. And you can select certain photos from your camera row. So let's say I want to do these watch faces that I designed for myself from my little project I've been working on called Watch Faces by Brian. So what Watch Faces by Brian is a bunch of custom designed Apple Watch faces that you can add to your Apple Watch photo watch face. So I have a bunch of photos here that I added. They're right here, and I can actually go in and customize the clock if I wanted the clock to be over here or right here or whatever. And I can go in and I can actually change it. I can change it to classic, rounded, or modern. I can then do a certain photographic style if I wanted to. And then I can actually change the time color. So if I wanted it to be blue fog, I can do that. And then I can do complications as well. So on top, I can add complication today's date. So here's how the watch face is going to look when I hit add to watch. It'll automatically save directly to my Apple Watch. The cool thing about Photoshop is every single time I pick up my Apple Watch, it will be a brand new photo. So here's my other watch face that I did. And here is the final Apple Watch face I did, and automatically adjust it to make it look best on your screen. So that's how the photos watch face works on the Apple Watch, and that's how Watch Faces by Brian works. I have a bunch of Apple Watch faces that are available right now on my website. So if you go to the website right here on screen, you can download these watch faces for completely free. On the first of every single month, I launch a brand new watch face. So this current collection is my Summer Nights collection for July. The next thing I want to talk about is app view on the Apple Watch. So if you go right into Apple Watch settings and go into app view, there's two different modes you can do. You can do a grid view or you can do a list view. But what you didn't know is you can actually adjust the arrangements of your applications. Here's all my applications that I have right here. Let's just say I want to change how this looks on my watch. Is I can take this app, bring this application all the way up here. Now I customize how my Apple Watch apps look on my grid. But what you also can do is you can also do a list view. So the list view goes alphabetically on your Apple Watch. So this is how the list view looks on the Apple Watch. Looks just like this. This is how the grid looks. The final tip I want to give you guys is actually customizing your smart stack. So if you knew, on the Apple Watch, there's now a thing called a smart stack. So whenever I swipe up right to here, I have my smart stack right here. This is how my current smart stack looks. Just like this, but what you can do is actually customize this smart stack to be more for you. I go into the Apple Watch application, I hit the smart stack right here. You can start off with allowing live activities or not. You can also auto launch live activities on your Apple Watch. So say if you're doing a DoorDash order or you're tracking something, it will automatically show up on your smart stack on your Apple Watch. You can even show live activities with the wrist down, which you can do that as well. So again, there's a lot of customization here as you can customize what you want on your smart stack, or you can get rid of the stuff that you don't want to see on that smart stack as well. This is how this now looks. It automatically updates throughout the day, and you can hit the edit button right here. You can edit the smart stack and pin the ones you want to see all the time and get rid of the ones you don't want to see. So it's going to show relevant information to me whenever I need it. So I just use my notes application, so I can launch my notes application right from here. I can also launch a workout if I needed to. I have my weather right there, and then I have my activity for the day. You can also add things to your smart stack as well as get rid of things. So here I am kind of adding a few extra extra things to my Smart Stack. And they got rid of it. So this looks a lot more cleaner, a lot more organized for me. So Smart Stack was the final thing I wanted to cover in this video, and that is all of my Apple Watch tips and tricks to help you use this Apple Watch a lot more. Well, that was a lot of information to throw at you guys all at once, but I hope you guys did enjoy this Apple Watch tips and tricks video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me across all the social media applications. I have Instagram, I have TikTok, I have Threads. So be sure to follow me with the links down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video I do. Have a great day. Bye. And let's be real, some of you guys are going to take your Apple Watch, take it immediately off your wrist, and you're going to throw it right back in the sock drawer because you don't care about it, which is okay. But please use your Apple Watch more, please.